What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Roy's Customs. Tonight I'm just going to be kind of going around the car and doing a little bit of nitpicking. Just some stuff that really needs done. It's small stuff, but it does need done. And I'll go ahead and I'll show you that. First of all, there's all these little spots here you can see of fiberglass resin spatter, and I got a few here, there, you know, in different places on the front bumper mostly. I'm gonna be plucking those off, and in here I'm gonna work on this side skirt a little bit. I'm gonna be blocking this a little bit, trying to get this straightened up some too. There is gonna be, I'm gonna need some body filler, but I don't have any tonight, but hopefully I can get some pretty soon. I'm gonna need some for the sub box anyways, so it's not gonna be a huge ordeal. So there's gonna be that needs done, and also over here, like on the bottom of the door, you can actually see there's some body filler on there, it's all the way down it, so I'm gonna be knocking that off and getting rid of that, and then checking for like any more little spatters, because I actually think I have some more of those resin spatters somewhere else. But like I say, I'm just gonna kind of be doing little stuff tonight, nitpicking here and there and getting some stuff taken care of. I don't have any of my Rust-Oleum primer, but I do have the Krylon stuff. I've used Krylon before, like a long time ago, and it was okay, I guess. But I still actually kind of like Rust-Oleum better. And the main thing is I'd really rather it all be the same color. This is actually a little bit darker. I mean, you can even tell by the cap, it's quite a bit darker, but it is okay because it's just going to actually be just a quick coat just to cover stuff up, and then there's going to be more layers of primer anyways, and those will all be the same color, whether it's the Rust-Oleum or whatever it's going to be. It's going to be all one color. So I don't think there's a whole lot that I can do on this side. So anyways, I don't think there's a whole lot that needs done on this side actually. So my poor car is infested with ants. I really need to get those out of there. Anyways, it's kind of dark back here, so you really can't see anything anyways, but anyways, I am going to be doing that little bit of stuff here for you. I don't know, maybe I need to clean up on this side a little bit, maybe. I don't know, this side looks pretty darn good. So, I don't know, you know, there's a little bit up in here that could probably use trimmed up a little with some sandpaper and get it looking a little better. But I do need to clean these lines up some and get them straightened up and stuff. So, that's kind of what I'm going to be doing tonight. So, we're going to go ahead and get right into that. So here we go. Okay, so I'm going to use a combination of my new soft sanding block and my hard block, and probably going to use my file and probably my edger. I'll probably use my edger first. to kind of cut the line that I'm looking for. Okay, so now we're going to knock off this body filler off the bottom of the door here. I may be able to knock that off with a putty knife. I may be able to knock it off with a putty knife. Okay, it's working really well. Gotta be careful not to make big gouges. But it's doing quite well. Okay, that should be good enough. I'll take my 80 grit. It's still a little bit cockeyed. The bottom I don't really care about. What I was trying to get to was this the front portion of the lip, and get some of that stuff filled in. The rest I think I'll just go ahead and do with some spot filler, I guess. And then up here you have this part here. It's looking way better. So I think well, now that that's out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and take this bumper in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on. I'm just kind of holding this on with 4 bolts, the 2 at the top and then these 2 little side bolts. So it doesn't really match up right now. I still have to get the rest of the bolts, take care of that. This part here, there's like a clip, like a little clip-like thing, and it holds the nuts, and then you put the bolts in from the fender direction, and then it butts it up against like it's supposed to, so that's why it doesn't look like it's supposed to. So anyways, kind of just do the best I can with that. So unfortunately you can't really torque these things down at all because you'll mess them up. And being the bumpers are plastic, you'll mess those up if you're not careful. As far as this part goes, this has got like a plastic little thing that the bolt actually goes up in. So, anyways, well, that's going to kind of be it for this short little update, so to say. This is just some piddly stuff that was really kind of necessary. It really needed done. So anyways, we got the bumper back on. I did do that work last night and got some of that stuff taken care of. So anyways, guys, gals, I sure appreciate you guys watching. Hit the notifications and subscribe to check out more of the ZX2 project or the ZX2 subbox project, or pretty much anything else that I may do. But you can bet it'll be cars or car audio. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.